My video guide is about removing the ransomware called XRED. XRED is a ransomware type threat that is able to damage the files that customers store on their computers. The ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It is currently spread through some malicious sites or compromised sites which may contain malware. Specifically this XRED ransomware. So it is dangerous to download the files through illegal file download platforms because as a result of that, your computer may be horribly infected and messed up. The ransomware is able to encrypt the files which customers store on their hard drives. So the ransomware then tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution because this doesn't guarantee that the files would be recovered. As you can now clearly see, the ransomware changes the desktop background of the targeted computer and mentions that all your files have been encrypted by the XRED ransomware 2022. The ransomware tells its victims to contact the developers using this email address. However, it's a mistake to pay the ransom. You may simply lose your money for nothing. Speaking about the file modifications, the ransomware adds a random file extension to the files. So you shouldn't pay the ransom. And what we recommend you to do is immediately check the task manager of your computer. Look for suspicious processes. If you find their presence here, right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. To remove the ransomware, we recommend you to use the special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may download it through Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be damaged by this ransomware. So open your Internet Explorer browser, go to the website combocleaner.com, download the program through this green download button. Then after it gets downloaded and installed, you might need to implement similar tricks to start the program. Go to Program Files, Combo Cleaner folder, open Combo Cleaner program and then wait until it updates the antivirus database and begin researching the system. Initially, the quick scan option is available, so click on Start Scan and begin researching your system. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection. After the anti-malware database of the program has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins researching the system. As you can now clearly see, some of these threats were already found. Some threats may be related to this specific ransomware, whereas other threats are related to some browsing activities, for instance, some unwanted ads, push notifications, and so on. Combo Cleaner has got this superb anti-ransomware solution, allowing you to add one or several folders that will be always protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to find out their exact location. Some of these threats can be removed manually, of course, but we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to delete these threats automatically.